Welcome back, and a big shout out to all our new subscribers we recently got. Thank you very much. We are out in the greenhouse today, and you can see I put up a makeshift shade cloth. We have gone from one extreme to the other. It was so cold about 2 weeks ago, and now we're seeing about 40 for the high and 20 for the low, steady throughout the week here, having a 50, 60, 70 degree swing from where we were at 2 weeks ago. And we didn't have any sunlight for over a month. It's been cloudy and snowy. So when we got a nice break in the weather here, we had to change the way we were growing. We took some of this ground cloth. We had got this on Facebook Marketplace for free, and we've been using it for random projects like this. I have ordered a shade cloth that will be here in a few days, but we still need to protect all these plants from the sun, and that's another thing I want to talk about today. You can see all the snow out here. I've been using the snow to water our plants. It is an awesome way to soak up nitrogen into your soil while not disturbing the soil and eroding it by watering it heavily. Stop by all these kale in the box. We had hardened these off about a week ago and transplanted them in, and they are successfully transplanted, growing well for us. Coming down here, we have a ton of sprouts coming up and hardening off out here. We had to put this little shade cloth up to create a nice shady spot because it's about 80 degrees, 85 degrees in here right now, and we do not need these in direct sunlight. That is how we harden everything off. We put it in the place that we want it to be planted. All these baby plants are going to be set and plugged through this whole bed here. So they are all going to stay right there where they're at. We're going to harden them off and transplant them all in this same location. That is why I put this shade cloth here. We will take it down after these are fully hardened off after about a week or so here. I like to stress the plants, and I like to put them through the most that they can handle, because it proves to me that the strongest ones will survive, and we will have the most productive and the best strain of that variety that comes through, and we can harvest and let it go to seed and reproduce those same plants. We love using the snow for free water. This greenhouse heats up so much, and our compost water has just been cooking through all of these ice chunks. We lose a lot of this water to evaporation, so I fill it up with ice and it slowly melts it down over the hot sunny day, and we are still able to use all this water to heat our floor at nighttime, because this system's going to continue running all night. We don't have any problem heating this greenhouse during the day, but at nighttime we like to hold all of that heat in the floor that runs through this hose and hot water here. I just wanted to share our experiences with growing in a greenhouse and growing under cover and trying to continue to grow all winter. With the extreme cold jumping right into the extreme heat in here. We saw 100 degrees in here earlier before I had put this shade cloth up. Now we're sitting right about 87 degrees. We've dropped about 12 or 15 degrees ish already just by putting this shade cloth up. Our plants are getting a nice reprieve from the burning sun, and we are melting some good nitrogen filled snow in here, feeding our plants and watering them at the same time. I hope everyone enjoyed this little update on our greenhouse. We will bring back another update once we get our real shade cloth set up on the outside of our greenhouse here and get ready for spring and summer growing.